Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the happy Easter decoration ideas. 2022 best collection, best selection for my viewers. So hope you like the video till the end. Outstanding and most amazing woods designs are available, and candle decor ideas, candle holder ideas, and this collection is all about the spring and the Easter decoration ideas. So guys, if you love my channel, please subscribe and share your family and friends. Easter festival and the Dollar Tree decoration ideas. In this collection you see the basket ideas, woods designs, candle holder, egg basket ideas. So a huge amount of quality and quantity related to the Easter are available on my YouTube channel. Happy Easter 2022. Ideas are so unique, so creative, and I think this collection is very useful for you related to the festival of Easter.